Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your squad in the FIFA Ultimate Team 23. Okay, so first of all, we have to simply go for the club. We have to switch from the home to the club right here by using the R1 button. Next, open squad. Click left 2 button and go for the squad selector. Right now, if you want to get rid of any of this squad, like for example, I want to delete this one, I have to tap on the square, on the triangle, and then confirm yes. Of course, I'm not gonna make it because it's one of the squad that I'm using in the Ultimate Team, but that's how you can find this option on the Ultimate Team FIFA 23. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.